so what I'm doing first is putting some of these Salsuds soap into this bucket, just a little bit, and then also some rubbing alcohol, because I find that it kills the lanternflies faster if there's some other chemical that can penetrate into their bodies. And then you just fill it with water. It doesn't have to be full, but enough that they can actually drown in it and they're not just going to crawl right up the side. Okay, so the situation that's going on here is often what I see on vines, especially like invasive weedy vines in my yard. So the technique I'm using here is how I would adjust that. It might be a little different if you're finding them on big tree trunks where you can't get under them the way I'm about to get under them. I'm trying to scoop this under them. This is a little tricky because it's a little too tall. I'm gonna try and lift this up and then smack them in. Now usually this would be right under it, and when they're threatened, they fall down usually, so that's why I'm trying to get under them. But this worked sort of. I got quite a few in here that you can see they're gonna drown and then die.